foot comes up, the knee comes up a little bit, the foot goes out to the side, as if you want the bottom of your foot, the sole, to be facing the opposite wall to over there. And then you slowly come back. So again, it's up, turning. So you don't want to turn your hip like this. The motion is coming just from the foot. You don't want to use anything else to get you to get a little further. So here we go again. This, turning, and down. Now, when you do this, the first one, you're going to be arching up the left side of your lower back and turning your head to the left as the knee falls out. Back down you go. Now, as you come up the opposite one, turning the foot out to the side, your head turns to the right and your lower right back arches a little. So here we go again. Foot comes up, head turns to the left side of the back arches up a little bit, drop the knee, slide back down. One more time on this side, arching up the right side of the back, turning the head to the right, and down. Once you do 5 maybe on each side, now you're going to do both together. So as I turn this way, my feet are coming together. Bottoms of feet together, kind of the frog pose, and you're arching both sides of the lower back a little bit. And then keep the feet together as you slide them down the table. That's one. The second one, you're going to do knock knees. The back stays a little more flat. Feet come out pointing to the side, and then slowly back down. So once again, feet together. Drop the knees out, arching the back a little. Sliding both feet down together. It's good to do 5 of these too. And then again, feet going out to the side, slowly, slowly down. Good. And then the last one, make sure I'm not leaving any out, is the one for the neck and shoulders. So for this one, just bring your knees up, let them fall to the side, and slide one down so that the bottom of this foot is resting on top of the knee. Support yourself with this arm, and place this hand on the shoulder up. On this one, turn your eyes, your head, and your shoulder, body. Twist everything to the left. As far as you can, hold, and then slowly, slowly come back to neutral. Again, turn the head, turn the eyes, twist to the left, and slowly, slowly, slowly come back. So you do about maybe 5 of those. Now, second part. Twist again all the way as far as you can. And now, bring your head back, but leave your shoulder and everything else there. Now reverse. Bring your elbow and shoulder back, but now turn your head. So you're going in opposite directions. You're twisting your body again, but your head's going the opposite way. So slowly, slowly, and slow. After you do that about 5 times, so this would be 1 complete cycle, and then you would do 5 of those, and then there we go 2. Okay, now you can rest your arm too, maybe if your arm gets a little tired, and then you go back. The next one is to go all the way again. Now once you finish that, the last twist one, again do about 3 times everything to the left. And you start to notice that you can go farther and farther each time. And make it slow, slow, and slow. Then on your last one, keep everything turned as far to the left as you can. drop your other hand right down by the other one. And now keep your head turned to the left and keep it there as if you're brushing your head up against, like you're a cat brushing your head up against somebody's leg. And then drop your head down slow and let your eyes float up. And now let your head come up, let your eyes float down. And back and forth. As the head comes down, the eyes float up. The head goes up, the eyes go down. I do these about 10 times. Then after you've done that, once again go again, and even just doing that you'll notice you'll be able to twist usually a little farther again. And again about 3 to 5 times. Great. And then the last one is to just slowly bring your head to the right like this. It's not a big push, kind of just very gentle movement this way to get some side mobility here. And as you do this, you're raising your right hip up towards your armpit, well, similar to when you were on your side doing that other one. Great. And then now you just reverse everything on the other side. And now, of course, I finish always with doing maybe 3 of these. And depending how tight your back is, after you fetch to the end, it's good sometimes to do this one again at the end a few times, just to unwind the back if there's been any tension from the movements that you've been doing. So maybe a few times on each side. Good. And another one you could also do at the end, which is nice, is the cow and the cat. So it's down and up. And that's a nice one. Always finish with the exhale and the rounding of the back. You don't want to finish with an arch in the back. Let me show you a few things for the neck when you're lying down. This is good for what you may have with a lordosis problem. These muscles can be tight in the front. So bringing the chin down and raising the head up this way, and then slowly, 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 slowly. Now muscles could be tight and weak at the same time, because when they're tight, they're tightening all the time. It makes them tired. So it may be difficult. You may start to find yourself just going straight up like that. And that's what happens when these muscles, especially whiplash injuries, when these muscles in the front become weak. But that's okay, just keep, it means it's a good indication that this is a good exercise for you. So then keep always the chin down and then slowly come up. And then slowly down. And then at the end, press your head down into the table. And you could also do it with your hands behind your back, press down into the table. And you could do that 3 times perhaps. Holding for about 3 to 5 seconds and then slowly releasing, but no straining. And the other one is to press your head back like this and pressing back into the table, just like that. And again, hitting a different group of muscles back there. Good. And then the ones, this is good in a sitting position. The one again where you turn your head to the side, tilt back a little, bring up your shoulder, and then slow, very slow. Make sure you really let that shoulder drop. Again, it's turning, tilting back, and then and slow, slow, slow. The other one is turning your head opposite way, tilting back, bringing your shoulder up again, and then slowly releasing down towards your opposite hip. And again. And when I release, I'm not forcing my head forward, I'm just kind of letting it release forward. Like I'm still almost contracting my head back as I'm going forward. Great. And simple ones to the side, you know, just slow to the side, slowly back. And you can use your eyes to help you have the eyes go to the right as your head goes left, and back, and again. This helps release the neck even more as well, and is very good for the eyes.